You may be asking, baka masyadong mahal ang magpa-training or magpa-conduct ng seminars, and right now, medyo tight yung budget. Is there any way na makapush through ako without spending so much? Of course, meron. You can tie up with others. You can find sponsors para sa iyong mga gagawing mga training. So, napaka-strategic ng move nito, not only in terms of monetary equivalent, but of course, ang pinaka-importante dito is you are sharing the opportunities and the benefits na meron pag nag-host ng training or ng workshop. And this will help you gain the trust ng iyong mga partners and also leverage their resources, their assets na wala sa iyo. And vice versa, they can also benefit ano yung meron ka na ino-offer na wala sa kanila or hindi nila na-recognize na importante. So, ang pinaka-bottom line dito is yung paghahanap mo ng mga sponsors, it's because kulang ka sa budget. It opened doors for collaboration and also for further advancement ng iyong brand, ng iyong company. Whatever it takes, we will do what is necessary to provide the best service and the best value para sa aming mga miyembro at para sa aming mga kliyente or customers.